In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a taillight on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove the 2 screws on the taillight. We're going to grab right here and put one palm on the side over here, and we're going to pull straight back and remove the taillight. We're going to remove all of the connectors from the taillight. To do this, it's going to be a quarter turn to the left, and the bulb will pop out. Repeat this process for all of the connectors. And remove the harness from the stays. We're going to install our connectors into our new taillight. Line them up and a quarter twist to the right to lock them in. We're going to put the harness into the plastic stays. To install the taillight, we're going to line up these 2 pins on the side with these 2 holes. And once everything's lined up, we're going to give it a nice push in. And it'll lock into place. Install the 2 screws. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.